Hey guys, it's Mark from Team How To. Our team has scoured the web to bring you the latest and most relevant content. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Mark from TeamHowTo.com. Today I want to show you how to add end screens to your YouTube videos. This is very important. The goal, obviously, with YouTube is to get as many people watching as you possibly can, and to this end we need to find ways to keep people engaged. Well, these end screens tend to be a really nice way you can help them find your next video, to see what else you have to offer. Really just keep them on your page. That's the end game. So let's go real quick, show you how to do this. Super simple. We go up to our icon. If starting at our channel, we'll go up to our icon, come down to your YouTube studio. All right, go over, click on videos. Next step, we go in and just pick a video. We'll just take this top one. There we go, beautiful. Now, just scroll down a little, and on the right side here, we have the end screens. This is very intuitive. We just come in here. Now we have a few options we can work with. You can already see I've got two on here, but we'll just get rid of these for the sake of showing how to do them. So first thing we do is we come in, we hit Add Element, and we can do Video or Playlist, Subscribe, Channel, or Link. Go to the Video or Playlist. Now what I like to do, and I find works really well, is to just let YouTube choose what's best for the viewer. They have the viewer's data. They know what the viewer searches for. So let's just let them do it. So I'd come in and click Best for Viewer. Now there are exceptions to that rule for me. If I have a specific playlist or a video that accompanies the one we're working on at this point, I might go that direction. Or the most recent upload, that's nice too. You could just hit the most recent upload and that'll get the most recent. That seems self-explanatory. But if you want to point them toward a playlist, just click the playlist, click on that, no big deal. Let's say you want to get them to this transparent one specific. Okay, great, that's the way we'll do it. And you just say create that element. I'm going to do best for viewer, create the element. Very simple. Now you can move this around the screen wherever you want it. Sometimes you'll have your things set up where you're going to point up to this corner or point back to this corner. That's how they get tricky like that. That's all there is to that. Next thing I like to do is add the subscribe button. Go down, hit the create. All we have to do is come in and grab the little square. This is our button. That's the subscribe button. Put it wherever you want. I'll put it right here so she's pointing at it. Very clever, huh? So we'll move this over here. There we go. Okay, that's really all there is. We come up here, hit the save button. The last noteworthy piece is we can take this and have it enter it wherever we choose. You see I've got this at 12:57, which is a pretty good spot. Their default is usually pretty good, but you might want it to go a few seconds later if you're in the middle of a conversation. You don't want to be distracting people from something or whatever. So you just scroll this over. You can play it however you want to do it until it's exactly where you want it, then add them. Once we've saved it, we need to get back to the main section of the studio. The important thing to do is always look up here at the top. This says when you're finished, close this tab. Now, in some cases, this does not say that. Other times it says hit this button to return to your studio. Just be really careful. Look and see what it says so you don't lose any information. This is, as long as this is saved, you shouldn't lose it anyway, but you may have to come back to it. So I'll just exit that tab like it said to do. That puts us back here. And hit the save button if it's not saved. And that's really all there is to it. Now it's in there. It's ready to go. Another noteworthy thing to mention here is that if your video's already been out there on YouTube and it's not doing as well as you want, it's never too late to come in and add these end screens. Or if you don't like the way they're performing, you could switch something around. You move something to the middle. It's not going to change your video integrity. It's not going to change how many likes you've had or how many views. It will not reset anything. You can come in here and change the stuff at will as much as you want. So that's about all I got for you right now. Hopefully that helps. Best of luck.